So the formula for probability is a fraction. To find the probability of an event, we use this formula. And they'll write it like this. Capital P for probability. Then they'll put parentheses E. E is the event. And here I'll squeeze in the capital letter E. To find the probability of an event E, we use this formula. P parentheses E equals, here's a fraction bar because it's going to be a fraction. The top number is the number of successes. The number of successes. And the bottom number is the number in the sample space. Two other things that you're going to see as you work through the problems. Two other words, phrases. One is theoretical probability, and the other one is empirical probability. So I will call this two types of probability. One, theoretical. Probability. That is the probability based on theory. The probability of what you think will happen. This is the probably. There's probably, when I'm talking about probability. If you think probability, you're generally thinking theoretical probability. So the probability based on theory. I brought my dice today. I have one in my hand here. Actually, I have a die within a die right here. And so if I look at, say, just the outside die, let's not worry about the inside die. If I roll it, the purple die can land on 6 different numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I roll it, what's the probability that it lands on 4? 1/6. And so I'm thinking land on 4 and I'm not cheating. Right? Okay, there I got a 3. So the probability based on what, if everything is fair kind of thing, what's going to happen with that. So most of the probability you calculate or think about, if you think probability, would be theoretical. The other one is empirical probability. Empirical probability would be the probability based on a survey or an experiment. The probability based on some, I'm going to say, collected information. And this could have been collected by a survey. So collected by a survey or some experiment. And as I look out at my group of students here today, I'm going to do a rough little count in my head that I think I have more girls in the class today than boys. Just looking around. So, if I'm going to pick a student at random from the class, what would the probability be that I pick a girl? A female student? Well, what would we need to know? And I'm talking about those of you here today, not the entire class. I'm not counting the people who are absent. I would need to know how many students are in the room. And as I look around, I'll guess that to be about 70. And then what else would I need to know? How many are girls? So I'll throw out this number for the number of girls, 50 girls. So if I pick a student from the room randomly, what would be the probability that I would pick a girl? 50 over 70. That would reduce to 5/7. And that's based on some information I've collected. Whether it's right or not, I just did a rough estimate and this on those numbers.